What's going on there, guys? Aleah coming at you with another video. Of course, I haven't been posting much lately, but I'm at my house by myself and no one here. Ow. I've been having problems. That's probably why I haven't been posting videos. And I found out there's a freaking bird nest on my porch. How crazy and cool is that? I will show you. Listen. They're chirping up there. I hope the mom doesn't attack me. Here, I'm going to put you guys down just for a second. Alright. Alright. Right there. Can you see them? Subscribe if you can see them. And I need to drop you. Hi. Alright, I'm back. I don't have much to do. Oof, camera's a little scuffed. There. Of course, I don't have Instagram and Facebook and Twitter right now. I just need to wait. I'm just looking a lot. But tag me. No, don't tag me. Subscribe if you like my videos. Of course, I only have like 2 videos up. I'm gonna start posting every other day, but once I get good at YouTubing, I'm gonna start making more videos every day. If you guys like Logan Paul, subscribe. I'm telling you, if you like him, actually subscribe to him. Shout out to Logan Paul for those good videos. Great videos. Alright. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do. My hair's messed up today. I need to get my hair fixed. It's pretty ugly too. Oh, and shout out to Jake Paul. And congratulations for getting married. Congrats on that. I was going to post a video yesterday, but I couldn't because I had to go to my freaking mom's wedding. Oh my god. I'm stuck, aren't I? There. So, I guess it's lucky for me too, because now I have never mind. I guess I have a mom and dad that are together all the way. I'm joking. I never went to it. I'm joking. Okay, I never really went to a wedding. My mom and dad aren't married yet. But since they've been together for 7 years, they've pretty much been married. That's pretty much what I meant, but except for that, not in a real dress and suit. I look so weird. Oh, I'm kind of a shy YouTuber. Although, Little Tay, yeah. If you go on YouTube, look up her name, Little Tay. She is like She said she's the youngest flexer. If you ever heard of her. Kind of bad, but she got caught smoking Kahook. Kahook. How do you say that? I don't know how to say that. Mama came back. I'm going for the run on the runway now. She's kind of afraid of me for some reason, although birds are afraid of humans. I've been on the run for the long way round. I suck at YouTubing. Honestly, I'm a bad YouTuber. I'm not a vlogger! Well, I might become a vlogger. I'm not gonna be a vlogger like Logan Paul, though. Ooh! What a vlog monster, isn't he? I'm weird. I am super freaking weird. I've been on the long ride. Well, winter just passed, like almost 2 months ago. Summer is here. It is beautiful up in the UP right now. For me, this is like not a lifetime opportunity, but I'm going skiing at how do you say that? I'm going down to I'm going down to Wisconsin with my mom in a month, and we're going to have fun down there. Tomorrow I'm making a video because I know I haven't been making much videos. My last video was like maybe 7 weeks ago. I don't remember. People are just looking at me like I'm a crazy person. Speaking into a camera. Although I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? Like, this sounds right. Like, I don't know what to do right now. I'm using my phone right now. Well, my dad's sister's phone. But, oh yeah, I never told you guys. Well, I didn't really tell you anyway. I got a new bike. Oh, look at that, babe. Oof. Oof. Nice. I need to go to the bathroom. Alright, I'll post another video in like 10 seconds, literally.